Welcome to the channel. Once you decided to learn JavaScript, or if you wish to learn JavaScript, you have to write a code and execute the code and debug the code. Only theoretical knowledge won't give you much about the coding, and it won't make you a good developer. So you have to write the code and execute it and debug the code. So to run JavaScript, there are a lot of ways to run the JavaScript. Today we'll explore the simplest way to run the JavaScript as a beginner. So let's start. The first option is writing code in an online compilers. For this, what you need to do, just go to the any browser and search for online JavaScript compiler. Just a minute. So choose any editor you wish to, and yeah, open it. See, yeah. This is the where you can write the like JavaScript code directly and click on run. You will see this output. See, whatever we write the code that is executed. For example, let's say let's create a one variable. Let's say name. I'll make it some simple name, and I'll just print the same name. So see, it, this is how you can simply write the JavaScript code in the in the editor here and can directly hit run, and you can see the whatever the output you are printing here. This is the simplest way how you can write your JavaScript code. Okay. The second way is using browser console. Okay. For that, what you need to do, this is also simple way. Go to open a new tab. Don't open anything. Right click in anywhere in the page and click on inspect. Once you get this debugger tools, right, make it big, like okay. Just yeah, go to console. This is the console, or you can consider as a terminal. You can directly write a JavaScript code. Okay, like say I'm writing console.log hi, so it will print hi. Let's say let's create a variable constant. Let's create a let variable let a equal to 20, certain, and then we can directly write a code and hit enter to execute itself like a plus 20, then it will give you that result 30. You can also write the the entire JavaScript code whatever it may be, like print name. The only thing is once you hit enter here, it will try to execute it. So if you want to have the new line, you just make sure that you uh, give the new line with the help of shift and enter, and then yeah, that works as a new line. Name, let's take an argument as a name. See, now I can call this print name with whatever the values we have. We want to pass. It will print something like this. This is the second way of writing JavaScript code. You can directly write like this is JavaScript terminal, right? You can directly do some mathematical calculations also. This will work something like this. Okay. The next, let's go to next option, which is with HTML script. This is HTML script is also simpler option, and also we have more flexibility to write the code with HTML. For that, what you need to do, open any your desired text editor. I highly recommend using VS Code. You want to have a VS Code, just go to browser and type VS Code, and the first link, whatever you get it, right? Click it and download it and install it. Yeah, once you install the VS Code, and just you need to create a one HTML. Let's say we call index.html. VS Code also gives some default embeds that will give you the default piece of code. Like for example, I type this factorial symbol, and if I hit enter, yeah, gives the it gives a basic structure of the code, I mean HTML, where uh, we can write our remaining code. So here, what we can do, we can just write a script tag, and here you can write the JavaScript code like console log. To execute this one, what you need, you don't need to do anything. Open it in a Finder. You just need to double click. That will open in the browser and open the debugger tools and see it in the console. You see the code, I mean the output here. Okay. Yes. If you don't want to mess with the JavaScript and HTML, then what we can have one more option like create a one JS file like index.js file, and then just import integrate that script. Okay, just give the path of that. So I'll remove this here, and I'll write console log over here, making, let's say, hi. And if I refresh this page, the same thing happens. This way you can write lot of code here, I mean big big number of lines of code here, and you can debug also here, easy here. If you want to debug over here, there is a one option, one default options will be there. For example, function add, see here returns ABC. If you want to I mean debug, I mean put debugger over here, just type debugger, and yeah, that's it. If you go to browser and refresh it, okay, yeah, we are not calling this add method. Add, like say 2 3. If I refresh now, see debugger comes. It pauses the debugger. You can see the what is the variable of A and B, and whatever the local variables, and what is the call stack of this one. You can do a lot of things here. It will help you to debug the code. Okay, let's move to one more thing. Last option is Node. Okay, this is also simple. For to make it this work, you need to install the Node.js in your laptop or the desktop. You just go to website Node.js and download the Node.js and install it. Once you install it, I'll open the terminal over here itself. Any terminal you can open, but I'm just to show you, I'm opening this terminal. Nice. Okay, you once you type Node. You see this will welcome to Node.js, and this version it will open the REPL called repeat, eval, print and loop. I mean this is similar to the we have the terminal, right? Terminal in the debugger tools. It is similar to that. We call it REPL, Node REPL. Here also you can write directly the JavaScript code, whatever you want, console like console.log, uh, hi, sorry, hi. I'm giving some concatenation of name variables. Sorry, string. See, now it's showing hash. Yeah, this is here also you can write the entire code and execute it. To come out of this one, you just press Control C. Sorry, dot exit. That will get out of this one. This is the one option with the Node.js how we can execute the JavaScript. The one more is the file. What you can do, create a one file like yeah, we already have the JavaScript file, right? Index.js. What we can do, in the terminal, you can type node space that file name.js. Then that will also do the same thing. You see here, see, I'm printing hi Shiva. I'm just executing again. See, it prints this hi Shiva. So this is the one more way to. This is also a simple way because you don't need to go to browser or anything. It will simplest way. We just need to type node and then what the file name which you want to execute, that will give you. This debugger won't work in the node. It will only work in the browser. Okay, you don't worry about that. Okay, I'll, we have okay. After this, I would suggest one best way to write the JavaScript code is use the script method, script along with the file, and also use one particular. I mean, in VS Code you have the option to install one extension. You use live code. Sorry, go live. I already installed the extension that one. Okay, sorry, we call it live servers. Yeah, I already installed. Once you get install this thing, you get this go live. Once you click this go live, that will open one yeah development server in 5500. What you can this why this is easy is whenever you do the changes direct here in the console log, I mean here in the JavaScript code anywhere, it directly get automatically refreshed. See here it get refreshed and it's printed. It is very useful if you are doing long coding and if you are practicing with a big I mean huge number of lines of the code without refreshing anything. You just try to write the code uh, and execute it here. Yeah, this is the simplest ways to execute JavaScript. I hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.